Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to change background color on Instagram. For this, you need to go for your Instagram story, then click a photo randomly. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, now if I click this one, then go for in this. Okay, in this three dot option, then go for draw. Then you need to just choose a color. If I choose this one, then hold it here and you can see this is the background. Now you can add your photo from here. Done, go for done and go for sticker icon. Scroll down and go for in this option plus option. Now go for a picture you want to add. So you can see uh, this is your background color. If you again want to change background color, then go for again in this three dot option, then go for draw and you can change again another color. If I choose this one green color, then again hold it and you can see it's changed. So this is how you can change background color on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.